Hi, welcome on Yourpedia education platform, and we are providing you the latest updates related to various admissions which you people are to get through your GATE score of 2021 or 2020 or 2019. So 3 years GATE score is valid for admission into institutes of higher education, and now I think public sectors have also started coming through GATE. So Power Grid I was going through is the public sector which has come up with the GATE score. So let me tell you, today is 31st March and today is the last date of application in some of the main crucial institutes of higher education. One is NITI Bombay. There are two courses in NITI Bombay, PGDIE and PGDSM through GATE. NITI is taken through CAT also, but these are the two courses through GATE. And as you know, NITI has more number of seats this year, 210 approximately, I think, that is in PGDIE. So there's a great opportunity. So I think some 1,000 students they will call for interview, or GD. I don't think GD will be there. It will be similar to last year because of same peak hitting in COVID situation and all. The only difference which I think can be this year, like last year when the shutdown was implemented, at that time NITI maybe faculty and all, they were not very much clear about whether to go for online interview or not. So there was nothing like interview. There was face to face interview nahi tha. So you were supposed to record your introduction, or your some topic were given to you, you were to record that and upload it, that's it. But this year I don't know, there can be interview also, that detail is still to come. But as we know, 19th April is going to be the interviews and all for NITI Bombay. So those of you who are targeting NITI and filled the form for NITI, it's a high time to start preparing the important topics related to your engineering, related to some industrial engineering topics. So please start preparing that, because in NITI this is very, very important. Second is IISc Bangalore. So you know, IISc Bangalore has many courses. It's a huge basically university or institute with a lot of departments, lot of opportunities. And as you know, this is the Institute of Higher Education which comes in QS ranking under first 200 universities of world globally. QS ranking mein IISc Bangalore repeatedly comes. So best institute for higher education, that is what we know it as. So many departments, so many courses. There is a MTech, there is MTech RA, there is PhD course, integrated PhD, direct PhD, so many courses. So there are interdisciplinary departments, lot of interdisciplinary departments. Last form of that is also 31st. And the best thing is, normally for MS PhD they will ask you for research proposal, but for IISc Bangalore they have not asked for research proposal. One more thing I have observed about IISc Bangalore is that every year this is the institute which comes out with the new departments, and I have already told you the new departments which have been added in IISc Bangalore this year, and the competition for that may be less, and you may enter into that, though the departments are really very good, placement oriented departments, but the score requirement may be less. Third is, this is the institute in which I have seen huge variation in GATE score from year to year. Maybe if you find that, okay, computational and data science last year was 750, you may expect this year it can be 650. That is a kind of variation in NITI Bombay I have observed over the period of time, and that is something which is surprising even to me, why that huge variation is there. So this is the second institute, which last date of which is today. And third institute is Triple IT Hyderabad. You know, Triple IT Hyderabad is a unique institute, what I can say, because all the courses in Triple IT Hyderabad are highly job oriented courses. So Triple IT Hyderabad or IIT Hyderabad, they focus on those courses which if student completes successfully, then he will very easily land up in some good job. So job oriented courses, industry oriented courses के लिए Triple IT Hyderabad and IIT Hyderabad is famous. So Triple IT Hyderabad का भी आज last date है. So as the name shows, Triple IT, it is more, the courses are more inclined for computers, IT, electronics, electrical, these kind of students compared to mechanical, civil, etc., right? But still there are certain courses like data science related, information related, which are interdisciplinary, and for every branch of student these courses are. So these are the three basically main institute, IIC Bangalore, IIIT Hyderabad, NITI Bombay, जिनका आज लास्ट डेट है. हरी अप, अगर आपने फॉर्म नहीं भरा है एंड यू फाइंड के नहीं आपको कॉल आ सकता है, देन डू इट. आई हैव अनदर रिक्वेस्ट टू मेक हियर इज लाइक till July you will keep on filling the forms and opportunities will keep on knocking the door till July. आपके सेशन स्टार्ट होते हैं अगस्त में. If I don't talk about NITI Bombay जिसमें सबसे पहले सेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, I think जून और समथिंग. Otherwise all the sessions will start in August only, right? So जुलाई तक आप लोगों को कॉल्स आती रहेंगी और जुलाई तक आपको डिसीजन बनाने पड़ेंगे. आपके स्पॉट राउंड चलेंगे, राउंड 1, राउंड 2, राउंड 3 ऑफ CCMT, COAP, वो सब चलता रहेगा. There is so many institutes, so many courses, you have to fill it up. So I will request you to go week wise. Do not start applying everywhere in one day only. Don't do that. Go week wise, as is being advised to you by mentors. Go week by week, that this week, okay, these are the 3 institutes we have to focus. This is the institute we have to focus. इसमें SOP चाहिए, इसमें SOR चाहिए, अच्छे तरीके से उसको बनाएंगे. Because आपका SOP SOR वो प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं और उसको पढ़ते हैं word by word. So be very meticulous in writing your SOP SORs. That is how we are to proceed forward. So do that particular thing and go week by week and apply in various institutes weekly, and especially in those institutes which are asking for SOP SOR, you apply in that, because probability of getting call is very high from there, and interview can be directed. Whatever you write in the research proposal, interview उसी के बेस पे होता है. This is how it is to be done. So I hope I have made my point clear. जिन्होंने नहीं भरा है वो अपना इसको आज कर सकते हैं. They can fill it the form and go weekly for this. I'll keep on popping again with new informations and information related to different institutes which are basically coming out with their forms. Thank you.